Today's first question is asked by Prince Kakkar. He is asking, will Blazor replace JavaScript? Prince, simple answer is no. Blazor will never replace JavaScript. For those who don't know, Blazor is basically a .NET based single page architecture UI framework for developing web applications. Many people are using it for creating desktop applications also, and then there are Blazor mobile bindings also available, which on the backend uses Xamarin to create mobile applications. So you can use Blazor for doing all these things, but primarily Blazor is more used in or it is being promoted to used as a WebAssembly based to create WebAssembly based web applications. So Blazor, there are two versions of Blazor: Blazor server, which runs on the server, and Blazor client or WebAssembly, which is basically a WebAssembly based version of Blazor, and it works on client machine. It can be also used as a PWA or progressive web application. WebAssembly is basically a language, or it's an assembly language which primarily runs on browser. It has been added as the fourth language which will be used on browser apart from HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So all the browsers, current modern browsers, which are like all the browsers after 2019, will be using or will be supporting WebAssembly, JavaScript, CSS and HTML. So that's the reason the performance of WebAssembly is much more faster than JavaScript. But the challenge here is the DOM or document object model of HTML file is not accessible in WebAssembly. So Blazor is basically a UI framework which gives you output in terms of WebAssembly. At least client side Blazor I am talking about, it gives you output in terms of WebAssembly, and it uses a JavaScript bridge to communicate with the DOM. Okay, so there is, when you create a Blazor application, it uses Blazor. If you are creating Blazor server application, it uses Blazor server.js, and if you are creating Blazor WebAssembly, PWA or any Blazor client application, it uses Blazor.webassembly.js to communicate with the document object model or DOM of your HTML file. Blazor is not a replacement of JavaScript. Blazor is basically single page architecture framework. As I mentioned earlier also, Blazor is basically a single page architecture framework. So it is basically a replacement for Angular or React. So frameworks like Angular or React, if you are creating a web application, if you are a C# developer and you know basic JavaScript, then you don't need to learn Angular or React. You can use Blazor to create single page architecture application. So Microsoft is promoting it as their reply to Angular or React or Vue.js to create front-end SPA based application. They are also promoting Blazor for using instead of web forms, because web forms is only supported in .NET framework, regular .NET framework, and it is not being ported to .NET Core or .NET 5, which is the latest one. So Blazor will never replace JavaScript. Blazor will replace frameworks like Angular or React for those companies who are willing to replace that. It is not like that it will permanently remove Angular or Angular will go away from market, Blazor will be the king and all those things. So those things are not going to happen. I know many people get confused by this motivation that bye bye JavaScript, Blazor is here. So there are many people have given sessions like bye bye JavaScript, Blazor is here, or goodbye JavaScript, Blazor is here. But it is not a replacement for JavaScript. It is a replacement for JavaScript for C# developer, but not for everyone. As simple as that. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.